Hi folks, this is Sean Hyman, and I want to take a long-term look at crude oil and dollar CAD. Crude oil and dollar CAD move in opposite directions. You can see this from crude oil heading up here on this weekly 3-year chart, and dollar CAD correspondingly heading lower. So heading in opposite directions. But then there's periods of consolidation, like you see here. And of course, oil's consolidation is much more volatile on the weekly chart than what we see in dollar CAD. Of course, dollar CAD, keep in mind, is a more leveraged instrument as well, so it's actually very volatile due to its leverage. But so here's the point. It won't be long that crude oil will either hold this 77.50-ish area and bounce higher towards the top of its range again, or break out above it, or it will break lower below it. And that's going to tell you a whole lot about dollar CAD, because remember, it does the opposite of what oil does. So if oil comes down here and bounces higher, then that's going to take dollar CAD lower, and we'll see dollar CAD go towards the lower end of its trading channel here. And if dollar CAD does not bounce off of that 77.50-ish support, but closes below that, particularly well below that, then we're going to see dollar CAD skyrocket to the top of its range, and could even pop through the top of its consolidating range. And so I'm filming this now so that you can take a look and watch oil around this 77.50-ish support to see how it deals with that. Again, we're at in the 79s as I'm filming this. Should it head higher? If this was the bounce right here and it heads higher, it will likely head higher for quite a while to head back towards the top of this range, back to probably the 108s or so, ultimately over the upcoming months. And if that does that, that's going to take dollar CAD, back down to probably the 97s, 98s. So this is the number to watch, 77.50 on oil. See if it stays above that. If it can stay above that, then you will see dollar CAD weighed down as oil bounces higher. So keep an eye on oil. Crude oil is very key to letting you know where dollar CAD will head next. And so it's an easy one to watch and to help tip you off to where this pair heads next, whereas other people would be strictly watching dollar CAD along and would not have that tip off. But the ones that watch oil have that extra confirmation when trading dollar CAD. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.